Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing the ATTOP mini drone and the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's start with the price. The ATTOP mini drone comes in at just $49, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to dip their toes into the world of drones. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone is priced at $427, offering a higher-end experience for those willing to invest more. It's important to consider your budget and requirements when choosing the right drone for you. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities of these drones. The ATTOP mini drone features HD pictures and live videos, allowing you to connect your phone and enjoy a first-person view experience. It's a great choice for capturing memories and exploring your surroundings. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone comes with a 2-axis motorized gimbal and a 4K ISO camera. This combination guarantees stunning and vivid footage with electric image stabilization, providing a bird's-eye view without missing any details. Flight performance is crucial when it comes to drones. The ATTOP mini drone offers a flight time of 5 to 6 minutes and has safe design features like low battery warnings and emergency stops. It's designed to be easy to control, making it suitable for kids and beginners. The Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone, on the other hand, boasts powerful brushless motors and a maximum battery life of 26 minutes. With a maximum remote control distance of 999 meters, it offers a longer and more stable flight experience. Let's move on to the features of these drones. The ATTOP mini drone has multiple flight functions, including 360 degrees flips and trajectory flight. It also offers 3 control modes: remote, app, and voice control. Additionally, its foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone comes with user-friendly functions like headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. It also has advanced features such as follow me, tap fly, and point of interest, providing intelligent flights and freeing up your hands. Safety and reliability are paramount when it comes to flying drones. The ATTOP mini drone has a safe design and a low battery warning system. It also has altitude hold and headless mode features to help beginners find their way. The Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone, on the other hand, features a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, making it safer, more reliable, and offering extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. It also has emergency stop, smart return to home, and one-key return functions to prevent the drone from getting lost. Based on online reviews, the ATTOP mini drone is highly regarded for its budget-friendly price and ease of use. Reviewers mention that it is great for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone receives praise for its high-quality camera, advanced features, and reliable flight performance. Reviewers appreciate its durability and customer service. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the ATTOP mini drone and the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it's important to consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. Remember to check out the links in the description below for more information on these products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!